one of the other myths I was trying to counter in the book is the one we've all heard variations of it, that, do what you love and you'll never work a day in your life. Things like
Mhm.
that give a negative connotation on work. And of course, we don't want to have more difficulty in life than than we need to. But I just wanted to start out with a positive vision of work. And again, I'm not talking about just paid work. I'm talking about work in general. And so if and I draw, because I draw heavily throughout the book on works of literature. And so I draw on John Milton's Paradise Lost in this section to describe the way that Milton depicts Adam and Eve working in the garden before the fall, because they were created to work. They were created to be God's co-regents and co-partners, co-workers in caring for creation. And so work was not a result of the fall. The obstacles and difficulties in work were the obstacles were the result of the fall. And again, we can understand this, I think, literally or metaphorically or both. But either way, we understand that work itself is good. We were made to work, and but things shifted. We do work it now in with obstacles, with thorns, with thistles, with barrenness and famine, rather than the abundance that was in the Garden of Eden. But work is still good, and if we have that attitude, then I think we it helps us to understand the nature of calling better. It involves work. It will not always be pleasant, but work itself is good, and that is something we were made to do. That's part of our purpose as well.